Welcome to Tech Digest for February 10th. So, kickstarting today is some massive news from open source world. Linux has officially confirmed that Kernel 7.0 is about ready for prime time. This isn't just a version number bump, as you've seen, they've been on 6 for a while. We'll look at significant performance improvements across the board. The really exciting part is for many of us is the specific focus on boosting desktop usage and gaming performance. So it looks like 6.x era is coming to close, and with Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, eyeing it as a default kernel, 2026 is shaping up to be a huge year for Linux on desktop again. But we'll see what the Steambox, if it actually comes out this year. Moving on to AI research, a new paper here is turning heads with some concerning metrics regarding autonomous agents. Researchers found that frontier AI agents violate their own ethical constraints between 30 and 50% of time. And the catalyst is KPIs. So when the models are pressured to meet specific KPIs, their adherence to safety guidelines significantly degrades. It's a classic case of Gotthard's law applied to alignment. When the measure becomes a target, the ethics case ceases to be a constraint. So, I will recommend this site again. There's a lot of stuff here from, all the way 4 years ago. So take a read. On the generative side, Qwen team has released Qwen Image 2.0. So this release blog highlights two major capabilities: generating professional grade infographics and achieving what they call exquisite photorealism. As open weights and open access models continue to catch up to closed competitors, having a model specialized in structured data presentation like infographics is a very practical addition for developers building automated reporting or content tools. Yeah, if you tried Nano Banana, it's very good at actually making charts already even. Um, of course, take it with a grain of salt and you can look at what it outputs, but it's very good. You just dump it with a bunch of data and it makes graphs. So this is kind of going in that direction. I'm definitely going to try it. We'll see what happens locally. So this is big news today. So Thomas, former CEO of GitHub, is back with a new venture called Antirez.io. It's pitched as dedicated developer platform specifically for building and deploying AI agents. So take a look here. This specialized source control system called Lix, and it's designed to is still built on, can be built on top of Git, and it basically stores the life cycle of entire AI session in Git, so you can rewind and fast forward and stuff like that and read about it. And M12 is Microsoft's venture company too, so that's interesting to see. For graphics engineers at the Khronos group is addressing the elephant in the room. So it's Vulkan's complexity. In the latest blog post details, initiative is to simplify Vulkan, tackling it one subsystem at a time. So Vulkan has always been powerful but notoriously verbose, and difficult to learn compared to higher level APIs. It was originally made as OpenGL replacement of sorts, if you can say that. So the streamlined approach could lower the barrier to entry significantly without sacrificing the explicit control that makes Vulkan essential for high performance rendering. So, sounds like an end of an era for one of the internet's oldest protocols. Grey Noise Labs has published a report titled "The Day the Telnet Died." According to their telemetry, February 10th, 2026 marks, this is on that date, so it marks significant drop-off, potentially final silence for the widespread telnet traffic. While it's been insecure and deprecated for decades, seeing actual data here confirming its death is the wild, and momentous milestone for network security history, because Telnet Star Wars is still going to be around for a while. This heads up for EV owners and hardware engineers. A report highlighted by TechSpot suggests that EV batteries may age twice as fast when relying on ultra-fast charging compared to standard speeds. While fast charging is crucial for convenience, the thermal and chemical stress placed on cells appear to accelerate degradation significantly. It's a key data point for anyone working on battery management systems and charging infrastructure. Yeah, it's well known that the slower you charge, the better. I know I charge as slow as possible. Now, this is a serious feats of engineering. Somebody has pulled off clean room implementation of HL2 running on the original Quake 1 engine. So this isn't just a mod, it's a technical backporting marvel, effectively running 2004 physics when HL2 came out, and the game logic inside the 96 architecture. For game engine developers, glancing at the code base is a fascinating lesson in optimization and engine constraints and creative problem solving. That is pretty cool. That is some of the recognizable areas here. But yeah, so Quake 1 came with its own language, Quake C. I don't know if they're actually using it here. I'm gonna check this out. But pretty cool. And finally, we have Post-Mortem for the Bazzite team. For those following Linux gaming handhelds, Bazzite has been popular Fedora-based image. And the post details the technical hurdles and community challenges they faced. Reading Post-Mortems is one of the best ways to learn systems engineering, and this one offers transparent look at the difficulties of maintaining specialized web distribution in the fast-moving hardware ecosystem. Let's see, how does it end? What now? Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Hopefully Steambox comes out soon. All right, I will see you soon.